Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking essentials. Confirm your TV firmware is updated, because outdated system software often breaks app behavior. Once done, restart both router and TV to clear temporary network and memory issues, and then open another streaming app to verify internet access. Make sure you're signed into the correct Netflix account, since authentication errors look like playback failures. If the app shows a sign-in prompt, re-enter credentials calmly. This verifies account validity and often resolves session-related errors quickly. Next, focus on the app and network. Clear the Netflix app cache or uninstall and reinstall it to remove corrupted files. At the same time, make sure your TV uses the best connection. Switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi if available, or change DNS settings to a reliable provider to reduce lookup failures. Verify no VPN or proxy is active on your network, because Netflix blocks those. Also disconnect HDMI devices that may hijack output or cause HD. To finish, attempt a factory reset only when other fixes fail, because this erases settings but often clears deep app faults. Once reset, reinstall Netflix and sign in. If the problem persists, note the exact error code and the time it occurred, since that speeds support diagnostics. If possible, test playback with another Netflix account or on a different device to isolate whether the issue is account, device, or network related. If all else fails, contact Netflix support with your notes for targeted assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.